Hey everyone, so with all that's going around in the world right now, there is a lot of work from home, and as university students, all of our courses have been moved online. So we'll be using our desk a lot more, and we didn't want to sit all day. So we decided to buy our sit-stand desk. Really, the video is going to be divided into two parts. Part 1 will be a time-lapse of the assembly, which you've already seen a snippet of, and then part 2 is a quick review of the desk based on 1, the assembly length and difficulty, and 2, the overall build and functionality. So let's get into it. So for a bit of a background, we were deciding on 2 pieces first and foremost, where to buy the desk from and what kind of a tabletop we wanted. So we landed on AnthroDesk because we looked at the reviews and they were pretty solid, not only on their own websites, but also from the websites of their vendors like Staples. So if you guys are looking to purchase some office equipment, I have a 10% off discount code down below in the description box. Feel free to use it. And then in terms of the tabletop, we were going to buy one from IKEA because it was cheaper. But then we were like, you know what, this is an investment into our own health because we don't have to sit all day, we have the option to stand. So we decided to splurge on a 100% wood tabletop from AnthroDesk as well. In terms of the number of pieces, there were 12 large pieces, not including the tabletop. For some reason, because it was a sit-stand desk, I was expecting it to be exponentially harder to put together, but that was not the case. Most of the tools also came with the desk, except a power drill, which we had to use to attach the legs onto the wooden tabletop. So we had to be really careful that we didn't split the wood when we attached it. So here's the half-finished product. The metal legs are extremely sturdy. You can see me shaking it right here. There's not much to really say about it. It'll look better once the tabletop is on it, obviously. So here's the finished product. It took us roughly 3 to 3.5 hours to complete the assembly, and then in terms of difficulty, on a scale of 1 to 5, 5 being the most difficult, we'd say this is roughly a 3, if that. Really the most difficult part was making sure that we didn't split the wood when we drilled the table legs to the tabletop, as I had mentioned before. In terms of build and functionality, it's a very strong desk, very sturdy, seems very durable. If I stop talking for a second, you can hear the whirring of the desk, and it sounds very smooth. And that's that. Hopefully this video helped in making a decision for you guys on whether or not you want to purchase a sit-stand desk. Personally, I think it's a very worthy investment. Coming from a university student's perspective, we'll be using this every single day. So, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.